Hello everyone, myself Yukti and I'm a Salesforce developer at Qurioustech Team LLP. And in this video we are going to dive into Salesforce Revenue Cloud Advanced, where I will be walking you through the complete end-to-end product setup in Salesforce RCM. So I'm currently on the home page of Product Catalog Management. Here you can see products. So before we start, I would like to give you a brief about what are products. So any sellable good that a user can purchase are products, which can be a standalone product, a usage-based product, or a subscription product. In this series, we will be using Apple as a use case. So let's go to new to create a new product. We have commercial and technical products. So commercial are the one the user can select and add to cart, whereas technical cannot be seen by user but are the specification of the products which are essential. So for our use case, we'll be creating commercial product. Hit next. Add a product name. Let's say I add iPhone 17. For product code, I'll be adding IP@17 and the same I will be adding for SKU. So what is the difference between product code and SKU? Product code are product specific that will be uniquely identifying a product, whereas SKU, the store keeping unit, is for inventory that identifies the variations of the product. Then we have configure during sales, which will keep allow if we want the user to configure the product in the code. Then we have the date, availability date, which I'll be keeping today. That depicts from when the product will be available. Then we have the active checkbox here. We'll check it so that the product is active. You can see here the cell only with other product checkboxes there, which is used to make a product component so that it will not be available in the search list. Then you can see here the is assetizable, which is used when we create the order, the products are converted into assets. So if we want the product to convert it into assets, then we use is assetizable. Then we have product type, which is used for creating bundle products. And then we have description here, which you can add a small description and display URL to display image of the product. So that is required. So that's it. Hit save. And the product is created. Now we'll go to related tabs. Here we'll select a product selling model option. What it is the type of product we are creating, where it can be a subscription based product or evergreen product. For my case, I'm adding one-time product here and hit save. Then we'll scroll down in the related tabs again. And we have price books here. We'll add a price book. Price book is mandatory for a product, so that depicts the standard price or the list price of the product, which will be listed in the quote, and all the price waterfall are depicted on this list price only. So let's wait for it to load. So here I'll add a standard price, let's say 78,000, and we'll select our product selling model option, that is one time, and hit save. After then that, we have a mandatory step, that is we'll go to setup. In the setup, we'll go to pricing, and here we can see a sync button. Here you can see the sync button. We'll click it and confirm. What it does, it basically sync the pricing of the products with the org. It will take a few seconds to sync the pricing and we'll go to refresh. So that's it, the product is created. Now in the next video, we will be going to see the categories and catalogs, how to create and how to add a product to cart. Thank you and bye-bye.